Simple neckline I already explained in many videos. So in this simple neckline, I will show you how to insert a loop. First, we join the shoulders. It is better if we make 2 stitches on the shoulders. Here we got a loop and a fabric which is 3" long and 1.5" wide. Fold it. To make a loop, you can keep the length less or more. Then on both the side of this folded fabric, we make stitch. I'm using contrast color thread. You can use same color. Now around the neckline we can use multiple loops or this single loop in middle of the neckline. We had folded the fabric at the time of cutting, and on that folded line, that would be middle of the neckline, we can join this small loop. You can use a locket, an earring or anything instead of a loop. Then using a bias strip of about 1.5" wide, we keep it on one side of the shoulder, back side of the fabric, and pull our bias tape slightly, very slightly, around the neckline. We stitch. Once we reach at the end of this strip, we don't need the extra fabric. We can cut it from here. So you have two options, either to stitch this joint and then cut the extra fabric, or cut it first and then stitch the joint. So here I am stitching it first. Make a firm stitch. Cut the extra fabric. Cut unwanted threads. On this joint side, we need to make a stitch to keep this bias strip in line and firm from the joint. Turning this bias tape towards the right side, fold it once and fold it once again nicely. You can do a kacha or you can press it and then make a neat stitch around it. I used only one loop, but using the same method, you can insert many smaller or longer loops around the front neckline, and that would make a beautiful neckline or a beautiful design for your dress. Stitch all around this neckline on the bias tape. You can reverse the process of this bias tape and make a neckline same as shown in the picture that you have shared with me. This is for now. In the next video, I will be sharing the next part of making this dress, that would be joining sleeves and joining the gown, making the pockets. Keep watching. Take care. Goodbye.